It's your boy O.B.S. Lowe's back at it again with another episode. We're gonna be replacing the fuel filter en la Denali Cup porque ya está chiquitín el tablero, que se lo cambie y no me deja andar a gusto. Es que hoy le vamos a cambiar el filtro aquí para que vean ustedes que tienen sus dizos. Está bien fácil, nomás que yo no lo voy a hacer porque me duele un poquito la cabeza ahorita, pero aquí mi hermanito se la va a meter, el Alex Tirowski. Lo que ocupan es una charolita para charolear, un socket de 36 milímetros. A ver, no se ve bien. Ahí está. 36 milímetros. Y obvio, tu filtro. Obvio. Ahí está el filtro. Vamos a abrirlo. Trae un filtro. Ay, güey, no me digas.
Oh, ya tiene con el...
Y trae sus gaskets nuevos. Trae dos. Este que va a ir alrededor de la rosca donde lo vas a quitar. Y este chiquito va en una pilinguilla que sale ahí cuando quitas el filtro. Ok, chavos, así se hace, miren. Te metes allá abajo. El filtro está detrás del tanque, más o menos por allá atrás, creo. ¿Sí lo ves? La chichilla.
Sí.
Ok. We're going that's it. So it's right here by right under the back door. Este güey no puede, le faltaron comer frijoles hoy.
La madre.
Está duro, primo.
Dame un poco de eso,
Dale, díselo ahorita. You break it loose, I'll push the thing in there.
This ain't the right socket.
Is it 36?
The whole barrio, the whole thing.
Nah.
Yeah. You don't have a llave?
Como pueden ver, pues está un poco barrido el mugrero ese, le pusimos una liga. Aquí el... No, maldito verga.
La rompió la verga.
Pinche mugrero. Vamos a checar que se tire, lo voy a sortear. Me barrieron el pinche tornillo los pendejos. So, I gotta go get the 1 in 16. A ver, pues tampoco jaló eso, vamos a calarle otra pinche mexicanada.
Está seco la verga. What the fuck is that? The hell's empty.
So after 3 AutoZones and 5 O'Reillys later, we got the 1 in 7/16 socket that we had to replace a 36 millimeter with just because it was stripped. So hopefully this works. I'm back at the shop. Let's give it a shot. Deja tú para cortarla, compadre.
No. ¿Ya salió? No va a salir.
So I'm gonna have to get that whole cap. I'm gonna have to drill a hole in that motherfucker, right? Some of those little filters.
Yeah, this bitch is tight. Oh, look. Pásame un cincel.
Yeah.
Y un martillo.
What the fuck you gonna do?
Ahí está. Look, they have an engraving on top. Donde le puedes pegar like that para que... You see it? Look, it's right here. You see this? And then, yeah, look, it has 4, so you can rotate it like that.
No jaló ni el otro socket, ni las channel locks, ni las... Nada de lo que le intentamos. Ahorita voy a ir a comprar una que usan para los filtros del aceite, que son como 3. Ya como vas enroscando, se atranca. Entonces voy a comprar uno de esos. Ojalá y eso funcione. Si no, vamos a tener que meterle un desarmador y pues como que dice desmadrarlo y mandar pila pieza nueva. Y también vamos a ir a levantar los stickers. Ahorita les voy a dar la información del giveaway. Yo sé que ya vieron el giveaway, vamos a dar un giveaway, algo leve para la raza que siga apoyándonos y viéndonos. Vámonos. Bueno, como verán, después de un mugreral y un chingo de vueltas a las park stores, en fin encontramos algo. We finally found the solution, guys. So, let's just say, if you have a 2020 and up, 2500, 3500, I believe it's the same, Chevy or GMC fuel filter, and this thing is no good, or you can't fit the proper size on there and it's just not, you can't get it to turn, go to Walmart. This is where I got this one. We got this tool right here with the little locking teeth. See that? And this got the job done pretty good. So I'm gonna use this to also tighten it back up as well. It don't need to be super tight. It's like a fuel filter. You kind of hang tight and just give it like a little twist. So now, guys, that we got the cap off, the filter's right here. It is dirty compared to the new one. Here's a pan I used to hold the diesel that's still dripping from up there. So now we got to change the gasket on here. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm gonna remove this. Okay, so I put the new gasket on there. Now, it comes with two. It comes with that one. And it comes with the smaller one that I showed y'all earlier. So we'll get the other one out. The filter just goes in like this. Just center it. And there you go. It's snapped in there. It's good. It ain't going nowhere. That's ready to go back on. Let's just change a little O-ring underneath there and this baby's good to go. So yeah, guys, if you have all the proper tools, see, they're the ones right here. They're the gasket. That's right. You see it? Oh, there it goes. My hand. There it is. It's on there. Pretty good. Okay. Once you got that in there, you come back with your filter, cap. And just start tightening with your hand. As much as you can. Hand tight. That's about it. Let me go ahead and use the tool. We'll go ahead and use the tool, get this tightened up a little bit more, and not that much, just a little bit, guys. I don't need to be super tight. And that's it. Fuel filter is changed. Alright, guys, I'm out from under the truck. Now, you're gonna go ahead and go turn on your truck. It's gonna take a little bit longer than usual. Don't get scared. It's just pretty much. Oh shit, where are the keys? Hold on, guys. Got the keys. I left them inside. Anyways, yeah. So it's gonna take a little bit longer to turn on. It's pretty much just filling in any air that could have gone in when you put in the new filter to the lines. So it's gonna take just a little bit longer. There you go, y'all heard that? I got scared myself. See how I say service fuel filter? We already serviced that, so right now we gotta go reset that. Let's turn it off again one more time. Let's turn it on again one more time. Alright guys, I saw how it went up a little bit faster now. That means the air is out. Now to reset this, look for it online. There should be a fuel filter live. Oh shit, we're low on def too. Right there. So just fuel filter live. Hold down right here. Couple seconds, and that should go to. Okay, never mind. You don't hold down. You click on it, and then two options show up: yes and no. Just click yes. Yes. I guess it takes a while to show up to 100. I don't know why, but okay. I guess when I'm done, we turn off and on. Alright. Move it off there. Let's go again. There you go, guys. 100%, and you're good to go. That check engine light should come off. That's probably after you drive it for a bit. Yeah, guys, it was pretty simple. It's a pretty simple and super easy job. I would say it's easier doing the oil change, and that's because the oil change is like one of the easiest things you can do to your truck, car. After all the tries with all these tools, literally, guys, we tried everything, like everything on here, everything. Did a chisel with the hammer hitting it. This is a proper size. It's a 1 7/16. This one works, and then a 36 millimeter is what works if your stuff is not stripped. But if it is, you don't have to go through all this hassle. I already went through it for you. Grab yourself a ratchet, extension cord, an extension, and this baby right here. This did the magic for us. There you go. Fuel filter number, in case you want to order it online. There you guys go. Do it last. That goes in the trash. Alright guys, so we're back in the lab. Hear me out on this one. This is gonna be a giveaway. This is the next giveaway, which you guys been watching this video. If you are new to the channel, if you stayed watching the video this long, like, thank you guys so much. Don't forget, turn on your notification bell, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, you better subscribe. Subscribe, guys, please help us out. The more you like the video, subscribe, the more people get to see the content, participate in these giveaways that we've been doing, learn some knowledge on trucks, what we do, maybe something that I show you guys rubs off on you and you get to use it in your life in a certain way. So, you know, it's general, I think it's a good channel. Here we go. Bam. Check that out. Ahí está la big lip, la 405 gang. O.B.S. So we're gonna have this sticker. So we got the sticker, guys, and the shirt. You buy either one of these or you buy them together, it's gonna get you some entries to win an iPhone 13 brand new, unlocked from Apple for any carrier. Yes sir, you heard it correct. iPhone 13 we're gonna be giving away. If you buy this shirt or the sticker, either you buy one or the other, it's gonna give you a certain amount of entries. If you buy both of them, it's gonna give you double the entries, okay? So you guys make sure to hit up the website as soon as you see this video. Everything will be live already on there, ready to go, ready to purchase. Orders will be shipped out as they come in. Thank you guys. So guys, don't miss out. Don't miss out on the winning a chance to get an iPhone 13. Some of you might need a new phone. You might broke your old one. You don't have insurance on it anymore. It's time to upgrade, whatever. Aquí está, iPhone 13. Color, it's gonna be in color white. Color white, guys, because all my trucks are white, so I figured to give out a white iPhone. Bam, 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 bam. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope what you watched today helps you out. If you got a diesel truck and you had the problem I had today, I hope this video helps you out removing that fuel filter cap, getting it replaced. Stay tuned for the more videos that are coming. Muchas gracias por todo el apoyo. Ojalá les haya gustado el video. No se les olvide, denle like, suscríbanse, prendan las notificaciones, compran la playera o el sticker, uno el otro o los dos juntos. Van a poder ganar un iPhone 13. Va a estar, ya va a venir desbloqueado de iPhone para cualquier compañía. Si ustedes lo quieran usar, simplemente compren la camisa o la calcamonía de la camioneta y se les pueden ganar las entradas a ganarse el iPhone. Aquí abajo en la descripción voy a dejar el sitio de internet donde pueden comprar la mercancía. Down below, guys, I'm gonna leave the link to the website where you can buy the merch, and then on there I'll show you the product, how many giveaways, how many entries it gives you if you buy each one or both together. Ahí lo vemos en la otra. Saludos de su compa O.B.S. aquí desde Truck Zone en Corpus Christi, Texas. Aquí andamos. Retro OG Wheels, O.B.S Cartel, 3 compañías bajo un mismo techo. Desde Corpus hasta todos ustedes. Gracias raza. Ahí estamos pendientes. Saludos.